Welcome to the Man's Style Decre, where timeless elegance meets modern masculinity. Today, we're breaking down 15 style mistakes James Bond would never be caught making, and why you shouldn't either, especially if you're over 40. From sloppy shoes to poor tailoring, these fashion blunders silently age you and kill the confidence your outfit should deliver. But don't worry, this isn't about wearing tuxedos every day. It's about mastering clean, masculine choices that exude quiet power. If you're ready to elevate your look like a true gentleman, hit that subscribe button and let's sharpen your style. Bond style. 1. Wearing baggy, ill-fitting clothes. James Bond never looks like he borrowed his clothes from someone 2 sizes up. One of the most common mistakes men over 40 make is clinging to oversized shirts and jeans in the hope that they'll hide weight or age. In reality, baggy clothes just make you appear older, less polished, and heavier. Bond's secret: tailored fits. That doesn't mean tight-butt garments should skim your body cleanly, showing that you care about how you present yourself. Invest in a good tailor. If off the rack doesn't fit perfectly, a modern man who dresses sharp and tailored immediately commands respect, no tucks required. Whether you're wearing denim or suiting, your outfit should look like it was made for you. 2. Choosing flashy or trendy pieces. James Bond wouldn't be caught dead in neon sneakers or a loud logo hoodie. One of the easiest ways to cheapen your look after 40 is chasing trends that don't align with timeless style. Over-the-top colors, designer logos, or exaggerated silhouettes age you in, reverse not younger, just confused. Bond's wardrobe is rooted in minimalism and classic design, clean lines, neutral colors, and quality textures. You can still modernize your styles, just do it subtly. Think suede loafers instead of metallic sneakers. Think charcoal knit polo instead of logo-heavy tees. Timeless style isn't about being boring, it's about knowing what works. Stick around for more Bond-worthy mistakes to avoid. 3. Ignoring grooming and facial hair maintenance. No matter the suit, if your grooming isn't on point, your look falls apart. James Bond always looks effortlessly sharp because his grooming is never sloppy. For men over 40, unkempt beards, wild eyebrows, or greasy hair can easily subtract from your overall appearance. It doesn't mean you need a clean shave. Bond's had stubble butt, it's always intentional. The modern gentleman keeps his grooming routine sharp, trimmed beard lines, clean nails, well-kept skin, and the right haircut for his face shape. You can wear the best cashmere jacket and still look messy if you skip the grooming. 4. Wearing outdated or square-toed dress shoes. James Bond's shoes say "License to Kill," not last worn in 2003. If your dress shoes have square toes, thick soles, or chunky heels, it's time to retire them. The wrong footwear can ruin your entire outfit, no matter how great the suit or jeans look. Bond opts for sleek, timeless shoes like cap-toe Oxfords, suede loafers, or Chelsea boots. They're modern but never trendy. When you're over 40, your shoes should reflect maturity and class, not a reluctance to evolve. Swap out the orthopedic-looking leather for elegant, well-shaped pairs that elevate your presence. Shoes may be the last thing you put on, but they're the first thing people notice, especially when you walk like Bond. 5. Overusing athletic wear outside the gym. Bond doesn't wear gym gear to brunch, and neither should you. While athleisure has a place, relying on joggers and hoodies as everyday wear can make you look lazy, not laid back. Stylish men over 40 know how to relax without dressing like they just left a CrossFit class. Swap hoodies for knitwear, joggers for tailored chinos or jeans. Comfort doesn't have to mean careless. Look for soft fabrics, elevated basics, and structured casual pieces that still look polished. Casual doesn't mean sloppy bonds. Off-duty look still turns heads. Six. Overlooking the power of a proper jacket. James Bond never walks into a room without commanding attention, and much of that comes from how he wears a jacket. Many men over 40 settle for outdated sports coats or puffy outerwear that ruins the silhouette. Bond's rule: always layer with intent. A tailored jacket, whether a bomber, Harrington, or blazer, sharpens your entire look and gives structure to your frame. Avoid saggy, oversized coats that swallow your body. Instead, pick refined outerwear that fits your build and elevates basic clothes underneath. A sleek jacket can turn jeans and a t-shirt into a statement. Seven. Wearing jeans that don't fit your body. Bond might wear denim, but you'll never catch him in saggy bootcut jeans from 2001. A common mistake for men over 40 is not updating their denim game. Ill-fitting jeans, whether too tight or too loose, instantly age you or make you look stuck in a past decade. Bond-style jeans are slim, not skinny, straight, and clean. They don't pull at the ankles or have wild, distressing. Pair them with loafers, boots, or sneakers that are sleek, not chunky, and your entire silhouette improves. Quality denim in a dark rinse is your best friend for looking sharp and modern. Eight. Sticking with one shoe style for everything. James Bond rotates footwear with precision. He doesn't wear dress shoes to the beach or sneakers to dinner. One of the biggest mistakes men make is relying on the same pair of shoes for every outfit. You need options. They need to match the vibe. Leather loafers, suede boots, white minimalist sneakers, and slim dress shoes all serve different purposes. If you want to look expensive and intentional like Bond, build a versatile shoe wardrobe. Shoes set the tone for your entire look, especially after 40. Nine. Neglecting color coordination. Bond never clashes his colors. If you're pairing a green polo with red sneakers or mixing too many tones without balance, you're veering into amateur territory. A refined man knows how to coordinate colors. Without looking boring, stick to a neutral base navy, gray, beige, blackhand. Then introduce one pop of color if needed. The key is harmony. Don't mix warm and cool tones blindly. Over 40, your wardrobe should feel intentional and cohesive, not experimental chaos. Bond wears color subtly, often in accessories or layering. Wearing wrinkled or poorly maintained clothes, even with perfect fit and color. Wrinkled clothes will destroy your style. Bond's appearance is always crisp, not because he owns more, but because he takes care of what he has. A shirt with collar curl, jeans with sagging knees, or jackets with creases signal carelessness. At 40+, your wardrobe should reflect attention to detail. Iron your shirts, steam your jackets, store your shoes properly. Looking sharp starts with respecting your clothing. Bond doesn't wear the most, he just maintains the best. Relying too much on logos or trendy branding. Bond would never wear a loud designer logo splashed across his chest. One of the biggest mistakes men over 40 make is relying on branding to signal style. Flashy graphics, oversized logos, and trendy flex pieces may feel fashionable, but they rarely read as elegant. Bond's wardrobe is built on timeless pieces, not labels. Quality speaks for itself. Opt for garments with subtle detailing, high-end materials, and excellent fit. If people notice the logo first, they're not noticing you. The goal is to wear the clothes, not let the clothes wear you. Overaccessorizing or mismatching accessories. James Bond wears a watch, maybe cufflinks, maybe a subtle pocket square, but never 5 bracelets, flashy rings, or oversized belts. Many men over 40 think accessories will boost a plain outfit, but going overboard actually distracts from your look. Stick with 1 to 2 refined accessories per outfit. Think leather-strapped watches, clean belts, and subtle eyewear. Everything should feel intentional and coordinated. Even your metal tones, silver or gold, should harmonize. Bond's accessories enhance his elegance without stealing attention. That's the lesson. Mixing casual and formal pieces poorly. You'll never catch Bond in dress shoes and gym shorts or a tuxedo jacket with ripped jeans. One major style sign is poor blending of casual and formal elements. Yes, mixing styles can work, but only when balanced correctly. A tailored blazer with dark jeans, sharp, a tuxedo shirt with sneakers. Not so much. For men over 40, the key is control and cohesion. Bond blends casual and formal only when the fabrics fits and tones align smoothly. Understand what each piece says, Then make sure the story they're telling makes sense. "14. Wearing clothes that don't suit your body shape. James Bond dresses for his body, not someone else's. The wrong fit can destroy even the most expensive outfit. For men over 40, this mistake becomes more obvious, whether it's baggy trousers, tight shirts, or boxy jackets. Bond's secret is tailoring. He wears clothes that enhance his strengths and minimize problem areas. If you've gained weight, embrace structured jackets and darker colors. If you're slim, add texture and layering. Don't chase trends that ignore your proportions. Instead, curate a wardrobe that flatters your unique frame." "15. Ignoring grooming and the final touches. No outfit is truly Bond-worthy without immaculate grooming. Wrinkled collars, scuffed shoes, overgrown beards, or chipped nails. Instant downgrade. After 40, grooming matters more than ever. Bond is clean, polished, and intentional from his hair to his shoes. That doesn't mean perfection, it means consistency. Keep your haircut sharp, facial hair neat, and your shoes shined. Fragrance, posture, and a confident demeanor all complete the look. You could wear a simple t-shirt and jeans and still radiate elegance if you've mastered the finishing touches." Now, you know the 15 style mistakes James Bond would never make and how to fix them for a sharp, timeless look over 40. Which one are you guilty of? Let me know in the comments. If this guide helped upgrade your style game, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a modern gentleman's guide again. Thanks for watching.